I don't know if it's a big one or not, but just got it on the pause, and he's not fighting at all. I think this is a small one, Jamie.
Yeah.
Actually, no, it isn't. Had a couple of runs. Jesus. Crikey. Oh, cool.
If I can hit that to you, I can get out of your bloody way. Unless you can bring them up between us.
Yeah. Oh. Out of there. Oh. Don't say that, Jamie. Oh, now he's good. He's waking up. He's waking up. Yeah, he's waking up. He is waking up. He has waken up big time. Jesus. I'm just pretending I have 2 pound line. What? Oh, he wake up a little bit. Yeah. He's back.
He's a big one.
Is he? Oh, nice. Yeah, he's a big one. Come over here. I reckon I should get the hook. Out of the weeds, out of the weeds.
Here you go.
Thanks, mate. That's a good idea. Out of the weeds. Huh? Come on, boy, come on. Oh, come on. Be nice to me, mate. Be nice to me. Come on. Friend. Oh, yeah, boy. He's a nice size one, eh, Jamie? Oh, he's not too bad. He's not too... Huh? Don't know. That's hooked. Got him out. Beautiful one, eh? Hey, Jesus. Huh? Yeah. Got him out. That's a nice size one. Yeah, there he's there. Nice bream. He's around about 35. Yeah, there he is. Finally got a bream. On the Z-Man grub with some X Factor, and got him. There he is there. Nice. Jamie's hooked on. Good one. Yep. Oh, Jamie's hooked on. There he's there. We go to his net in a minute. He has 2 pound line, but let his fella go. There you go, mate. Yeah, come on, Jamie. You may need that. You will need that because you're 2 pound line. Far out. Double hook up. Nearly double hook up. Huh? Yeah, they're up here. Oh. I think they just woken up, eh? My one just like, no, I was like, no, it's not a good one. And then he came up, and then yeah, he had a couple of good runs. But Jamie has 2 pound line, like he has to take it easy. Like his jag will just go zzz. He doesn't know if it's a big one or not. But yeah, he's good. He's got a message too. Good work, Jamie. No, don't. Tighten your jag up, I reckon. It won't snap off. Snagged? That's a good fish, Jamie. Good work, mate. On vid. Yeah, he wants to too. He's in there. He's in there. He's in there. Ah, alright. He's in there. Shocker. Jamie caught one before, about 42 centimetres. Yeah, out in the open, just like that. No, we haven't been casting some snags. We've been casting open. Right. Do you see him? Yeah.
He's probably done the swap me.
Swap me. Oh. Snapped? Oh no. Got snagged, he's probably just seen before, and now he's hooked on again. I want to cast in the middle. Oh, you know the net, eh? Bloody hell. Hasn't woken up. He went to the surface. He was on the surface, wasn't he? Yeah, he must be on the surface. Big one?
Didn't see it. It's flashing up my face.
I want to have a cast. Is that right?
Yeah.
Jamie hooks on, and hope. Lucky we came down here, bud, eh?
What's that?
Lucky we came down here. Work.
Give him a couple more flicks of her.
Yeah, I'll come up. I'll come up for you. Not bad.
Thinking about leaving them soon.
Yep, oi. You right? Oh, net job. Oh, whoa. Oi, oi, oi. Watch out, oi, oi. Yep, I'll get out. Come on. Oi, oi, oi. Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna have to get myself one.
Jamie's technique. That's from the dodgy ass.
Going under again.
Don't tell me going up my kayak. I can see him, I can see him. He's a good one, he's a good one. Beautiful. It's probably netty, 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 oh, no, netty, netty. Oh, yes. You got him. You got him. Oh, chunk of a fish. What are you catching the good ones for? Nah. Yeah. Show us that.
He's only just picked at it too. Just got him.
Yeah, that's where I've got mine. They must be like the smaller stuff. Hey. Yeah, nice broom, mates. Fat bastard.
Real wide in the head.
Yeah, look at him. Oh, he's running like my size, wasn't he? Yeah. Mad.